love it.
It's a lie! Hi guys! I'm Gaby vs Alice. So today we're making slime.
Yes.
And so there's a big fat twist. So the twist is that Alice is picking 6 colours from the bowl. And I am picking 6 colours from the bowl. And then the colours we take in 2 slimes. And then we switch our glues. So, rock, paper, scissors, who's going first? Rock, paper, scissors, shoot! Rock, paper, scissors, shoot! Rock, paper, scissors, shoot! Rock, paper, scissors, shoot!
1 hour later.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot! Okay, Alice picked 6 colours. 1 colour, put it in the bowl. 1 colour. 2 colours. 3 colours. 4 colours. 5 colours. 6 colours. And now let's see what colours you have. So we have pink. You have 1 pink. We have, what is that? Purple. Purple, purple. There's a purple. Okay, that's more that way. Yellow. 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 What's this colour? What is purple? Silver. Silver. That's black. This is purple. And silver. What is it? Blue. And blue. That's all of Alice's 6 colours. Now it's my turn. 1 colour. What is it? Let's see the colour. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Okay. So we have red. Ready? We have, what is this? Green. I'm going to give you all the colours what you're picking. Okay. Black. This is your slime. Isn't it nice? This is your slime. It's going to get out. Gold. What is this colour? Orange. 3 more. And pink. Okay, so now these 2 are thrown out away because we don't need them. And that 2. This 2. That's thrown away. With these. I don't know why. And now let's make our slimes. Okay, and now we have to pick our groups. I'm going to go for the gold, the red, and the pink. I'm going with this one. Alice, I really, really want this pink. Okay. Pink. Silver. But you have to pick the last colour. I think it'll be good with you blue. Oh no. I want blue. Then I'm going away with pink and adding green. No, I want orange. Alright. I'm going to give you purple. Your favourite colour. Okay. I'm going to go with pink. Because this will be a beauty slime. I want an orange one. I want orange. But this goes together beautifully. Wait. Okay. Okay, bye-bye. Okay. We have orange, red, and this vibrant pink. And I have this one and this one. I want a blue, but that's fine too. Or maybe. Okay, so we have the colours.
Look, I changed it to blue.
And now let's lay our colours down. These colours will be for our next slime, so let's move them away.
But can I do your slime?
Yeah. Oh, wait, no. We have to now switch our... Okay, there's yours, there's mine. Ooh, but I don't know what colours this is going to turn out. So
I'm
first pour in the silver.
I'm pouring. I have to. But my
Beautiful silver.
what? I just put my hand in glue. Like
First thing when I give Alice the glue, she puts her fingers inside. Look at that beautiful orange. I wanted that slime, but fine. It's yours now. Ew, I got glue on myself. Oh,
where did you put it?
it nearly fell off the table. Okay. Oh, it looks like the sea.
Let me see. It looks like sea.
Beautiful.
Look, I'm making a tower. Here.
Woo! 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 Woo!
It's red.
Yeah, I know. It's beautiful, isn't it?
Look, it's literally red.
Yeah, because it's red that you're using right now.
Oops!
Oops! Alice, don't do that. Alice, you're gonna get a beautiful slime.
Yeah.
I don't know about mine. It's gonna come out purple.
And my one?
I don't know about yours because your one, Alice, just squeeze.
No, look. You do it like this. Squeeze it out.
Okay, that's all.
That's all.
Now, let's, in 3, 2, 1, we're gonna, 3, 2, 1. Okay.
Oh, I think it's gonna come out orange.
Orange! Okay, so Alice is gonna come out orange.
And
mine-
your one's gonna come out blue.
Purple.
No, blue.
Purple.
See that? Blue.
That's purple.
Oh, that's the colour of this one.
And that's the colour of...
Look, it's the colour of this.
Yeah. So, we're gonna come back in 3, 2, 1. Boom! Our slimes are ready! So, I have this beautiful purple.
And I have this orange. With Dizzy, and he's real. He's real. He's real. He's real.
Don't do that. Look, and mine
Let's
looks
do
like,
a donut.
mine looks like
Donuts. Let's do some donuts.
eyes.
Let's do some donuts.
Okay, who does a better donut?
Okay. That's not a donut.
There you go. Look at that.
Look at my one.
Mine's the better donut, and it's crunchy, and I can see you through it.
My one's better.
Oh.
My one's better because
Okay,
it's
who
orange.
can stretch the most? See, put mine aside, and let's grab Alice's. Me. 3, 2, 1.
Woo! flexible.
Pretty flexible.
Now your one.
Cute. And now let's see. Alice, don't do the same as me. 3, 2, 1. Stop. Promise you won't do it again. And I'm not going to let this go. Ooh, he's not stretchable. Alice, we should keep yanking him. Ooh. Look, he is good.
He's not good.
He's really good.
He ripped.
Okay, so we're going to end this video